Who is ready to play a fun family game?
Me!
I've got this game here, and this is a complete classic. I grew up with this game. It has your mitts, so everybody gets a mitt. There's a little adjustable Velcro strap on the back here so that you can tighten that on your hand. It has really nice stitching on it so that it is durable and not falling apart. This is such a fun and competitive game to play with your kiddos. Here is one for you. I also like that it's portable. It comes in a little mesh storage bag, so you can take this anywhere. You can take it when you go to the park. You can take it whenever you go camping. You can just play with it in your yard. It is so cool. It comes with 6 balls. It's got nice strong Velcro there, so it sticks really, really well. And we are gonna play a game out in the yard.
Is this like catch? Yeah.